Hello there, space enthusiasts, and welcome to another intriguing exploration of our universe. Our cosmos is a vast expanse of wonder filled with infinite possibilities. Just think about it for a moment. The universe, as we understand it, stretches out for billions of light years, each light year a distance nearly 6 trillion miles. Now multiply that by billions. It's almost too large to comprehend, isn't it? In this seemingly infinite expanse, we find our humble home, the Earth, nestled in the arm of the Milky Way galaxy. But we are not alone in this galaxy, not by a long shot. There are hundreds of billions of stars in our galaxy alone, each potentially hosting planets of their own. Enter the Kepler space mission, a beacon of our endeavor to understand the universe. Launched in 2009, Kepler's objective was to survey our region of the Milky Way galaxy in order to discover Earth-sized planets orbiting other stars. And what did it find? Thousands of these exoplanets, many of which lie in the habitable zone of their stars. That's the region where conditions might just be right for life as we know it. Consider Kepler 22b, the first Kepler mission planet confirmed to orbit within its star's habitable zone, or Kepler 62e and 62f, both potentially habitable planets within the same star system. These are just a few examples of the tantalizing possibilities out there. With every new discovery, the scope of our universe expands. Each new planet offers another chance, another hope of finding life beyond our own. And if we can find even a single instance of life outside our planet, it changes everything. Our perspective, our understanding, our place in the universe. With such a vast universe, the chances of us being alone seem remarkably slim, don't you think? Now let us turn our attention to Earth, where countless individuals claim to have seen unidentified flying objects, or UFOs. From the ancient skies of Rome, where historian Julius Obsequens reported glowing orbs dancing in the night in 91 BC, to the modern-day sightings of pilot Kenneth Arnold in 1947, who described seeing 9 high-speed, crescent-shaped objects near Mount Rainier. The stories of UFO sightings are as diverse as they are numerous. In the vast landscape of Siberia in 1908, an explosion over the Tunguska River flattened approximately 80 million trees over an area of 2,000 square kilometers. While some argue this was caused by a meteor, others suggest a UFO crash landing. Fast forward to the mid-20th century, when the Roswell incident in 1947 sparked intense debate and controversy. A rancher discovered an array of unidentifiable debris in his sheep pasture, which was later claimed by the military to be a crashed weather balloon. Yet many believe this to be a cover-up for a crashed UFO. Across the pond in the United Kingdom, we find the Rendlesham Forest incident of 1980. US Air Force personnel stationed at RAF Bentwaters reported a series of strange lights and unidentifiable objects over a period of 3 days. These sightings were accompanied by unexplained radar readings and physical evidence, including impressions and burn marks on the ground. Down under in Australia, 1966 saw the Westall UFO encounter, where over 200 students and teachers witnessed an object descend into a nearby field, only to ascend and disappear shortly after. These sightings, while intriguing, have left an indelible mark on our collective consciousness, stoking our curiosity and fueling our quest for answers. Yet, they require more concrete evidence to definitively prove the existence of extraterrestrial life. These historical claims and sightings, spanning cultures and centuries, remain a fascinating facet of our human story. They challenge our understanding of the universe and our place within it. These sightings, while intriguing, require more concrete evidence to definitively prove the existence of extraterrestrial life. Governments around the world have been notoriously tight-lipped about UFOs, but recently some interesting information has come to light. In the past, the topic of UFOs was often relegated to the realm of conspiracy theories and late-night radio shows. But in recent years, there has been a shift. Governments, particularly the United States, have started to disclose classified information regarding unexplained aerial phenomena. In fact, in 2020, the US Department of Defense authorized the release of 3 declassified Navy videos. These recordings, captured by experienced Navy pilots, showcased unexplainable aerial phenomena that defied our current understanding of aerodynamics. Some of these objects were seen moving at hypersonic speeds, changing direction instantaneously, and even appearing to defy gravity. These disclosures were significant not only because of the content, but also because of the source. This was not a leak or a rogue operation, but an official release from the highest levels of the US military. The message was clear. These encounters were real, they were unexplainable, and they were worthy of serious investigation. This shift in approach has also sparked a renewed interest in the subject. Scientists, researchers, and the general public are now more open to discussing the possibility of extraterrestrial life. It's a conversation that is no longer confined to the fringes, but is being had in the halls of academia, within government agencies, and across mainstream media. What's more, these disclosures have not been limited to the United States. Other countries, including the United Kingdom, France, and Russia, have also started to release their own classified documents related to UFO encounters. Each new disclosure provides more pieces to an ever-growing puzzle. These government disclosures certainly add another layer of intrigue to our quest for alien life. They remind us that we are part of a vast, unexplored universe filled with possibilities. As we continue to learn and explore, who knows what other secrets will be unveiled? Scientists around the world are also deeply invested in the search for extraterrestrial life. This isn't just a casual hobby, but a rigorous, dedicated pursuit fueled by curiosity, wonder, and the thirst for knowledge. When we talk of scientific theories concerning the existence of extraterrestrial life, the Drake equation is one that often comes to mind. Named after the American astrophysicist Frank Drake, this equation estimates the number of technologically advanced civilizations in our Milky Way galaxy. The equation considers factors like the rate of star formation, the likelihood of planets around these stars, and the chances of life developing on these planets. Though the equation's results vary greatly based on the input values, it points to the possibility of thousands, if not millions, of civilizations out there. Another theory, known as the Fermi paradox, challenges this optimistic view. Named after the physicist Enrico Fermi, it questions why, if there are so many potential civilizations, we haven't yet come into contact with any. This paradox raises many possibilities, such as the idea that civilizations self-destruct before reaching the point of interstellar communication. Or perhaps, we're simply not listening in the right way. This brings us to the ongoing research and projects in this field. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, is a collective term for scientific searches for intelligent extraterrestrial life. It involves monitoring electromagnetic radiation for signs of transmissions from civilizations on other worlds. The Breakthrough Listen project, funded by Yuri Milner and backed by Stephen Hawking, is another initiative that uses advanced technologies to listen for signals from space. It's a 10-year initiative that started in 2015 and is considered the most comprehensive search for alien communications to date. The scientific community's relentless pursuit of answers only fuels the fire of this fascinating debate. The universe is vast and mysterious, and the search for life beyond our planet continues to intrigue and inspire. Who knows what we'll discover in the days, years, or centuries to come? So, where does all this evidence leave us in terms of the existence of alien life? It's a question that has fascinated us for centuries, and the evidence we've explored in this video only adds to the intrigue. From historical claims of sightings to recent government disclosures, the pieces of the puzzle are slowly coming together. And the scientific theories and research, they're not just the stuff of science fiction. They're serious, credible explorations into the unknown. Let's think back to the Fermi paradox. Named after physicist Enrico Fermi, it asks a simple but profound question. If there are a multitude of technologically advanced civilizations in the galaxy, why haven't we detected any signs of them? It's a paradox that continues to baffle scientists and researchers. Then, there's the Drake equation. Developed by astronomer Frank Drake in the early 1960s, this equation estimates the number of technologically advanced civilizations that might exist in our galaxy. It takes into account factors like the rate of star formation, the fraction of those stars with planetary systems, and the likelihood of life developing on such planets. These two theories alone illustrate the sheer scale of the cosmos and the potential for life beyond Earth. They reflect our ongoing quest for answers and our enduring fascination with the unknown. But we must remember this is a journey of discovery, not certainty. Each piece of evidence, each claim, each theory is a step towards understanding, towards possibility. It's a journey that is far from over. While we may not have definitive proof yet, the abundant evidence and ongoing research make the existence of aliens a possibility that is hard to ignore. If you've enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, keep looking up.